Hello everyone. I'm getting a lot of questions about percentiles, so I want to talk to you a little bit about that. For instance, suppose I'm asked to find the z-score for the 18th percentile, and I think the notation our author is using is p sub 18. What that means is we're looking for the location of the 18th percentile mark on the standard normal curve. Now, first of all, we know it's going to be to the left side of the mean because the 50th percentile would be at the mean. The 50th percentile just means that 50% of the area lies to the left of that point. So the 18th percentile means 18% of the area under the curve lies to the left of that point. The z-score is going to be negative, and all that means is that we're moving standard deviations away from the mean to the left. So the first thing we do, and this is where I think you're having a lot of confusion, is you find that value 0.18 in the body of the table. It has to be in the body of the table, not you're not looking at the values on the left border and the top border. You go into the table to find 0.18. And you're going to notice usually that the value you're looking for is in between two values. In this case, 0.18 is in between 0.1788 and 0.1814, and it's almost exactly in the middle. If it is exactly in the middle, we're going to read the z-score to 3 decimal places instead of 2. So once I find it, I'm going to look to the left and read negative 0.9. Then I'm going to look up, and I'm going to see that I'm exactly in between 0.01 and 0.02, which means 0.015. So I have negative 0.9 plus 0.015, which would be negative 0.915. So that's the z-score. And what that means is that whatever value is sitting at that 18th percentile mark, it is exactly 0.915 standard deviations to the left of the mean. So it's almost one standard deviation. The z-scores, remember, represent standard deviations. All those numbers in the body of the table represent areas. Now, what do you discover for the 50th percentile? I said at the beginning that that should be the mean. So let's flip to the other table, table 2, and notice now that when I locate point 50, and it's actually in the table, it's in the upper left-hand corner, and if I do the same thing with row and column, the z-score is 0.000, which means that it's exactly in the middle. It's 0 standard deviations away from the mean. I hope that helps.